Let me know if you like stuff like this, but see if you can see it on camera. No, you can't. Hang on, where even is it? Yeah, that little buckskin right out there. Very hard to see. Coors Original for all you people don't know what a buckskin is. But I'll prop you up out there and see how many shots it takes to hit it. I'm guessing 3 or 4. Probably about 50 or 60 yards, I'd say. We're gonna make do with what works, but Coors can is right there. As you can see. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's all of 50 or 60 yards. Alright, so took 2 shots. 2 shots, pretty good. 60 yards, 22 caliber pellet gun. Flat nose pellets, just they're training pellets, like they're called like Gamma Match or something. But yeah, kind of hit it sideways, but there's a slight breeze. So yeah, sick. 2 shots. That's pretty good. I haven't shot pellet guns in about a month too, so for some range stuff, that's pretty good.